In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable pop-ups and redirects on the Brave web browser. If you've run into forms that won't open, payment windows that never appear, or sign-in screens that keep refreshing, there's a good chance pop-ups or redirects are being blocked. Brave blocks these by default to protect you from unwanted ads and malicious pages, but sometimes trusted sites genuinely need them. I'll show you exactly where to change the setting, plus a few tips to keep things safe. Start by opening your Brave browser. Make sure you're on any tab where you can access the main menu. Look to the top right corner of the window and click the three-line menu icon. This is the main control center for Brave's options and tools. From that menu, click Settings. This opens a new tab with all your browser controls organized in a sidebar. We'll move through just a few sections to reach the pop-up controls. In the left sidebar, select Privacy and Security. This section manages permissions, safety features, and content controls. Brave's philosophy is privacy first, so most of these defaults are strict, and that includes blocking pop-ups. Next, click Site and Shield Settings. This is where Brave keeps the detailed permissions for websites like location, camera, notifications, and the one we're after, pop-ups and redirects. Shields are Brave's built-in protections, and site settings let you fine-tune them. Scroll until you see pop-ups and redirects, then click it. You'll land on a page that controls whether sites can open new windows or send you to different pages automatically. To enable them globally, switch the option to Sites can send pop-ups and use redirects. When this is turned on, websites will be allowed to open those extra windows or redirect you as needed. Keep in mind, enabling this for all sites is broad. If you only need pop-ups for one trusted site, consider using the Allow list you'll see on this page to add just that site. That keeps most of the web locked down while still letting your important tools work. If you still notice a pop-up not appearing after enabling this, check the Brave Shields icon next to the address bar on that specific site. Sometimes additional protections like aggressive ad blocking can interfere, and lowering shields just for that site can help. Remember to raise them again when you're done. That's it. You've enabled pop-ups and redirects in Brave, and you know how to keep control with site-specific exceptions. Thanks for watching, and happy browsing.